Welcome to Best Golf Carts Inc. Hello everyone. Today we're counting down the top 10 cool golf cart accessories that can take your ride to the next level. Whether you're out on the course, cruising through your community, or just having fun at the campground, these accessories will help you stand out, stay comfortable, and drive smarter. You might even find something you didn't know you needed until now. Do well to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss new videos and updates. Let's get rolling. Let's kick things off with one of the most eye-catching upgrades, custom wheels and tires. Your cart's wheels set the tone for its overall look. Want a sporty, street-ready vibe? Go with sleek, low-profile tires on 12 or 14-inch rims. Prefer rugged performance? Choose knobby, all-terrain tires that can handle gravel paths, trails, and even snow. But it's not just about looks. Upgraded wheels can improve your ride quality, handling, and even speed, especially if you're replacing stock steel rims with lighter aluminum ones. Many custom wheels also come in black, chrome, or machined finishes to match your cart's color scheme. Always look for DOT-approved tires if you're using your cart on the street. At number 2, we have lift kits. If you plan on going off-road or just want that beefed-up aggressive look, a lift kit is a must. There are different types. Spindle lift kits are great for casual use, while A-arm and long travel kits are perfect for serious trail riding and uneven terrain. Adding a lift kit not only boosts your cart's height but also improves suspension travel, lets you install larger wheels, and increases your overall ground clearance. That means fewer bottom outs when riding through the woods, over curbs, or on rocky paths. Coming in at number 3, we have rear seat kits. These add practicality and fun. Most stock carts only seat 2 people, but a rear seat kit can turn your cart into a people mover, perfect for families, guests, or even pets. Many kits are flip-down style, transforming into a cargo bed in seconds. That's perfect for hauling groceries, tools, coolers, firewood, you name it. Always remember to look for kits with safety grab bars and seat belts. Let's light up our trails with our 4th pick, LED kits. These aren't just for style, although they do look awesome. They're also crucial for visibility and safety. You can install LED headlight conversions, underbody glow kits, tail lights, and even turn signals. Some LED kits are Bluetooth-enabled, allowing you to control brightness, color, and pattern right from your phone. Whether it's for night rides at RV parks or campgrounds, making your cart street legal in certain areas, or just creating that eye-catching custom look, you can't go wrong with these. In 5th place, we have Bluetooth speaker systems. No ride is complete without a soundtrack. That's why Bluetooth speakers and sound bars are a must-have. These weatherproof, high-output systems can mount to your roof, dashboard, or even your golf bag rack. Look for systems with built-in subwoofers, aux inputs, USB charging, or solar power. Many come with app control and multi-device pairing for group rides. Pro tips: waterproof rating of IPX5 or higher is ideal. Some speakers come with built-in LED lights and FM radio for added versatility. At number 6, we have side mirrors and rearview mirrors. Mirrors might not be the flashiest accessory, but they're one of the most useful. If you're driving your cart in neighborhoods, campgrounds, or around kids, having side and rearview mirrors is crucial. Look for adjustable, vibration-resistant models. Some even have built-in LED turn signals. It's very advisable to combine your side mirrors with wide-angle panoramic mirrors, thereby reducing blind spots. In 7th place, we have full-coverage floor liners. Full-coverage floor mats protect your investment. Whether it's grass clippings from the course or muddy shoes from the trail, these heavy-duty liners keep the floor of your cart clean and protected. Most are custom-fit, with high walls to trap dirt and liquid. Some even come with anti-slip textures or odor-resistant coatings. They are perfect for golfers in wet climates, or carts used for hunting or yard work. In 8th place, we have portable phone holders. Keep your phone safe and visible with a mountable phone holder. Great for following GPS routes, answering calls hands-free, or controlling your music while you drive. Choose one with a 360-degree swivel and a strong grip for off-road use. If you want fast access, go for magnetic mounts. However, they are not ideal for bumpy terrain. Clamp-style holders are more secure during movement. At number 9, we have custom steering wheels. Let's add a touch of luxury with a custom steering wheel. From race-inspired designs to wood-grain finishes, you can match your wheel to the rest of your upgrades. Most aftermarket wheels are smaller than stock, giving you more control and better response. And let's be honest, they just feel better in your hands. And last, but definitely not least, we have weather enclosures. Weather enclosures are a game changer if you use your cart year-round. These zippered covers wrap around your entire cart, protecting you from wind, rain, snow, and even bugs. Most are made from clear, durable vinyl with zippered roll-up panels for ventilation. Some are universal fit, while others are custom fit for specific models for a cleaner look. To fully maximize it, consider pairing with a cart heater or fan for that extra comfort whenever you're outdoors. And that wraps up our list of the top 10 cool golf cart accessories. Whether you're after better performance, added comfort, or just want to turn heads, these accessories will help you build the cart of your dreams. Got a favorite accessory from today's list? Or maybe one we missed that you swear by? Drop it in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.